बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and beautiful and very classy seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are amazing and very unique craft work for you guys. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very unique and very latest seashell craft ideas for you guys. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel. And thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very unique and very classy and very beautiful seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you also watch different kind of tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very stunning and very classy ideas for you guys. And I hope so, viewers, you like these seashell craft ideas. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you.